Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to make interactive quizzes inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. Before we get started with this video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so here we are in PowerPoint. Now I've skipped ahead by creating a lot of this content, but I'll first walk you through how I created the content, and then we'll show you how to make this an interactive quiz while we actually present the PowerPoint. All right, so here we are on the first question, and the way that I've formatted this content helps to make this quiz make sense. So basically, I've added the questions using bullet points, and then I've added the answers in a multiple choice format. We have question 1. And then we have a slide that says correct, that's right. And then I've also created an incorrect slide. So basically I have the question, I have correct with the correct answer listed, and I have incorrect with the incorrect answer listed. Let's see what it says for question 2. What is the primary use of Microsoft Excel? We know that Excel is for data analysis and spreadsheets. So the correct answer, again, reiterates that Excel is primarily used for data analysis and spreadsheets. And then on the incorrect answer, this one is more generic since they could have chosen either A or C, which would give them an incorrect answer. And it just says Excel is used for data analysis and spreadsheets. Click the button below to try again or move on to the next question. So you could create a layout similar to this. And the reason why we have the correct and incorrect slides separately from the actual question page is because we're basically going to hyperlink the answers to the actual slides. So there's a few ways we could do that. Now I could actually hyperlink the content itself, but I think it might look nicer if we insert a shape and hyperlink the shape. I'm gonna go to the insert tab and let's click to shapes. And let's go with this blank action button here. Okay, and then I'm gonna click and hold shift while I drag this out to make a perfect square. And then here we already have our hyperlink option. If you use a different shape, click the shape and press Control K, and that will give you the option to hyperlink it as well. So I'll select hyperlink, and here we can scroll down until it says slide. And let's click on slide. Now this is one of the incorrect answers. So we'll press OK, and I'll press OK. I'm gonna change the color here. The color can be whatever you'd like it to be. And then I'm just gonna reposition this a little bit. With this selected, I'm gonna do Control C, and I'll hit Control V. And then let's just go ahead and drag this down. It's gonna snap in alignment with the one above it, so it'll look nice. And I'll press Control V again. So again, we've pasted 2 copies of this. And all right, let's go ahead and click on B. And then I'll hit, again, Control K. Now this one is also incorrect, so I don't have to adjust it. Let's do the same thing for C. So I'll press Control K, and we're gonna change this one again. Again, we'll hit slide, and we want this one to actually be correct. So we'll hit correct, and we'll hit OK. Let's go to the correct page now. And then since we actually got this correct, maybe I wanna do this one the color green. I'm going to insert, again, another shape. This time, let's go for an arrow. I'll click and drag the arrow, and maybe I want this in the middle towards the bottom. And I'm gonna make this green, okay? Let's do Control K to hyperlink it. Now, if you see this, we're just gonna click place in this document, and we want this to go to question 2. So I'll press OK. I'm gonna copy this arrow, and let's go to the incorrect page. Okay, and with this selected, I'm gonna go the other way with the arrow. So it's like signifying going backwards to the question. I'm gonna right click on this and change the fill color to red. Okay, and then I'll hit Control K. And instead of question 2, we're gonna go back to question 1. Great, so just to recap, we have hyperlinked each of the answer choices in this little checkbox here. We have hyperlinked the correct answer to bring us to question 2 and the incorrect answer to bring us back to question 1. Let's go ahead and see how this works in real time. So I'm gonna click slideshow and let's click from beginning. All right, let's go to the next and to question 1. Okay, so which of these applications is not a part of Microsoft Office? Let's say I'm teaching this in a class and one of my students says Excel. Let's click on Excel right here. As we can see, this automatically brought us to the incorrect page. We can read this part and then we can click this red arrow, and this is gonna bring us back to question 1. Now let's say we wanna choose Photoshop next, which we know is the correct answer. We're gonna be brought to the correct page, and then we can click this green arrow and bring us to question 2. And then from question 2, we can basically repeat the steps that we showed you for question 1. And we can also repeat the steps for the correct and incorrect slides that come after. All right, guys, so that's going to do it. If you have any questions about any parts of this video, drop those in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. You can find those links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have an idea that you'd like to see made into a video, we strongly encourage you to let us know what that is down below. Most of these requests get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.